जोरदार तालियों से धन्यवाद दें।
Respect, ovation. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद Honorable Minister say. Before you have seen that we have presented.
I am honored to be invited to speak briefly at your annual convention in my hometown of Ba. As such, on behalf of the people of Ba, I warmly welcome all to Sri Sanatan Dharam Pratinidhi Sabha of Fiji's annual convention 2015. We are gathered here today due to foresight and vision of members of Sanatan family led by Sri Sirdhar Maharaj and many others of that time who founded Sri Sanatan Dharam Pratinidhi of Fiji in 1958. I pay homage to their vision and leadership at this point. The late leader of South Africa, Nelson Mandela, said this on leadership, a theme that I will speak on in this address. It is better to lead from behind and to put others in front, especially when you celebrate victory when nice things occur. You take the front line where there is the danger, then people will appreciate your leadership. Mandela's point is lost to many, especially those leaders who take office for their personal glory or profit. It is getting close to 60 years since the founding of the National Sanatan body, and perhaps timely for all to look back at their achievements and shortcomings. I am sure that this will be done in the course of the next few days. As a member and the minister in the Bainimarama government, one of the ethos that we stand by is unity. That is a key term in our election manifesto, and we are delivering that on a daily basis. I put it to this body today that there has not been a better time to be a Fijian than any other time of our history. It is because of a government that delivers on its promises and stands by its principle of a Fiji for all Fijians. As members of the largest Hindu organization in Fiji, it is also the responsibility of each and every member of the Sri Sanatan Pratinidhi Sabha of Fiji to support and act on these principles. We have a lot to be thankful of this blessed island that we call home. Don't be ungrateful of what you have. Change is not overnight. It will take time, but with your support, we will get there. Be critical, but do not criticize for the sake of criticism. Be political, make your own choice on whom to follow, but in doing so, do not be blind to the good that the government is doing. Do not do at the expense of your people and their progress. At a time when the country has moved forward and away from the politics of race, we still hear from some leaders the lack of vision and responsibility. They are stirring the race pot for no good reason but to make a poor attempt at appealing to the racial element amongst us. On a similar note, we note to ensure that organizations such as Sanatan Dharam Pratinidhi Sabha of Fiji and others who are also holding their annual convention to move away from internal bickering and politics. Move away from petty politics. You hold important office and are here to serve. Be a leader who is a servant of the people not a self-serving individual looking for limelight and glory. Be humble and lead behind achievements for others to point at and glorify you. Not a mess in the organization so that everyone can point at and laugh. You have among you in the Sabha very capable leaders, well qualified and experienced. I look forward to mature leadership that will leave behind legacy of achievements, build capacity among your ranks, and have succession planning so that your organization is dynamic and relevant to this age. In the context of the Sri Sanatan Dharma Pratidhi Sabha of Fiji and this gathering, it is relevant that I leave you with these thoughts from the Indian-born American writer Deepak Chopra. Enlightened leadership is spiritual if you understand spirituality not as some kind of religious dogma, but as the domain of awareness where we experience values like truth, goodness, beauty, love, and compassion, and also focused attention. Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, as I have said that I'm happy that this convention is in my hometown, I would like to say, please enjoy your time in Ba and have a safe and pleasant journey back home. Thank you, Naka and Dhanyavad.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your message. Thank you for your kind words. And once again, thank you for being with us tonight. आगे बढ़ते हुए अब हम सनातन रत्न अवार्ड्स की ओर बढ़ेंगे, लेकिन सनातन रत्न